Come look at this one. It's making a cocoon, Mom. See? Look.
Hold on. I'm trying to focus it because I'm getting blurred.
See, do you see the one making a cocoon? It's shaking and hang down. Yeah, that is. That's so weird. What is that? Its faces are blood red. Wait, this one's dead. It's dead, not making a cocoon. It's just blowing in the breeze. Look at that.
I can't get a good photo. It's too blurred.
Oh, I felt some rain. See, look at those weird fuzzy things on its back. Like on top of the other fuzzy things. And what's that right there? Like, what is that? But there's another right here. There's
Hold on.
Right here. Probably so cold they're freezing. And look, there's one right here. And there's a dead one. Yeah, it's probably eggs.
But they're fuzzy.
Yeah, see, there's eggs right there. See, it placed down eggs. See right here, there's eggs.
Hold on.
Why is your face blood red? Wow, this guy has eggs too. Look.
Face in. I'll get your picture.
Yeah, I see its face. I can barely see its eyes.
It's moving fast.
Yeah. It's trying to find a place to put its eggs before dark.